Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the BRAVEN Ready Prime. Now this is a rugged wireless outdoor Bluetooth speaker. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $200. Alright, so let's check this out. Shout out to White Shoes, back in the building. Alright, so we got the BRAVEN Ready Prime. Now on a side note, I know some people say BRAVEN, some people say BRAVEN. The bottom line is, once you buy it, call it whatever you want. Alright, so this speaker is IP68 dust and water resistant. Now you're getting 17 hours worth of playtime. You got voice control, so you got full access to your Siri and your Google Now. And the speaker does float. Let's see anything else. You got a 4,400 milliamp battery. You got a built-in speakerphone. It is shockproof, and you got 4 anchor points. And on the top, check this out. Hey, take me with you. You get a free carabiner clip. All right, so let's pop this open and see what it looks like. Now, the hardest part of this is opening this up. So let's try to do this without activating beast mode. Listen to the smooth sounds of Xerxes purring. Here we go. All right. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Zerx, don't get scared. Don't get scared. All right, here we go. BRAVEN Ready Prime. Now, fresh out of the box, this speaker has a nice weight to it. Definitely looks and feels rugged. Speaker grill in the front. Nice hard material. Everything is rubberized and coated. This is thermoplastic housing. Now, you got your metal strap holders right here. Let's see, do we get a built-in strap? Let's see, press to release. Okay, this should be easy enough. But of course, I got to do things the hard way. Hold on. All right, so a piece of that sticker was trolling me on the bottom, but we good to go. So this slides right out. Let's see what you get inside. Join the club, plug it and file it. Usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. You get a 3.5 auxiliary cable for non-Bluetooth devices. Here's your straps. Now you get a bunch of different plugs. All right, so all your international plugs. So if you're an international player like me, you're gonna need these, but if not, file these to the side, pick your country, and use the rest for cat toys. All right, so we're gonna rock with the USA version. Let me make sure I'll lose this one. Zerx, don't get me for that one. And of course, here's your plug. All right, so let's slap this in real quick. Zerx is over here sounding like a motorcycle with the purring. All right, so here's your plug. This slaps right in. And we're good to go. All right, so that's your plug. Now for the speaker itself. Let's go through the buttons real quick. On the top, here's your power button. You got your Bluetooth pairing button. This looks like play and pause. You got your mic, dedicated mic button, answer and end phone calls, activate your Siri or Google Now, volume up and down. Simple enough. On the back, now this is water resistant, so you got a big flap. Let's open this up. Now, you get your output, USB out. Now, this has a 4,400 milliamp battery, so you can charge your phone, your tablet, your camera, whatever you got on deck. You got micro USB in, that's for your software updates. You got a battery button, check the battery. You got your reset button, or your input for your charging, and an auxiliary in 3.5 for non-Bluetooth devices. Okay, so here we go. BRAVEN Ready Prime. Now, let me download the app real quick. I'll power this up, pair it up, and then we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got this all paired up, so now let's test it out. Now, as far as the pairing process, real simple. Press the Bluetooth pairing button. You're going to get a voice prompt. Go to your Bluetooth pairing menu and select the Ready Prime. Now, the next thing you want to do is download the BRAVEN Outdoor app. Now, once you open up this app, you got full control of your speaker. So on the top, you got your battery percentage, you got your song name. If you had any album art, it would be displayed right there. You can skip and reverse tracks, raise or lower the volume, turn the speaker on and off. You can select different speakers and change your audio source. Let's go to settings. All right, you got your speaker name. Now check this out. You got an equalizer. So you got multiple settings. You got BRAVEN Outdoor, treble boost, vocal, folk, rock, or bass boost. Now y'all know I'm gonna leave it on bass boost. Now, you got full access to Siri or Google Now. You can disable that if you want. I got this paired up to an Android phone, so we got Google Now. If you want to hit that, hit the mic button. We'll test that out in a second. You got voice prompts. You got Find Me. Now, say you misplaced the speaker. Tap for sound. All right, we'll cancel that. Now you got true wireless. What that means is you can pair multiple speakers together and get left and right channels. We're going to test that out also. Now you got multiple audio sources, display lights, key lock, and your firmware updates. All right, so let's test the Google now. What time is it?
It's 11:16 Standard Time.
All right, so that works fine. Now for the most important part, let's do a sound test. All right, here we go. Max volume. I'm going to start with the EQ on BRAVEN Outdoor. Let's hit treble boost. Okay, vocal. Let's try folk. Rock. Bass boost. Had to let that ride. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Now this thing is nice and loud, punchy bass to it. Not the most bass heavy in the world, but it gets the job done. All right, let's try out the speakerphone, and then we'll pair up two of these together and see how they sound left and right channel. All right, so let's call the 24-hour diner and see what time they close. Max volume. Yeah, hi. What time you guys close tonight?
No, we don't close.
Oh, 24 hours?
Yes, sir.
All right, thanks a lot.
Okay, you got it.
All right, later. All right, the speakerphone is a go, crystal clear. I was talking regular voice volume. He heard me fine. I heard him. No problems with that. All right, so let's pair up two of these together and see how that sounds. All right, so I got these both paired up, so now let's test them out. Now, to use the true wireless feature couldn't be any easier. On the back of your primary speaker, the one you connected first, you're just going to hold that battery button down for 3 seconds. Then on your secondary speaker, hold that same button down for 3 seconds. It's going to automatically connect. Takes less than 10 seconds. All right, so here we go. Let's get max volume. I'm gonna move on away. Oh, this sounds good. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Now keep in mind, these float in the water. Now I'm not going to test that out. Y'all know black people don't be swearing like that. But these float in the water. You got 17 hours worth of playtime. Rugged, heavy duty speakers. One more thing I want to check. Now you can use this as a power bank. So let's make sure that feature works. So we'll plug USB cable in the back. Let's see if we can charge up this Mate 10 Pro. Battery's charging up. See, let me unplug it. Plug it back in. Battery's charging up. Like I said, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. These are going to be perfect for your barbecues, perfect for your pool parties, perfect to take to the beach. One thing I like about the BRAVEN speakers is the ruggedness. All right, you can't break these speakers. I can show you one real quick. Here's my old BRAVEN speaker. Now this one, if I tell y'all the wars that this one been through, y'all can see it got some dents, little dings here and there. This speaker works like it's brand new, and it's been through everywhere. This been through the back of my trunk, been to the beach, been dropped down the stairs. You name it, it been through it. So this is the updated version with the true wireless feature. Pair two of these together at your pool party. Have one by the barbecue, by the barbecue station, the other one by the bar. Get your drinks on, have a good time. Anyway, this is the BRAVEN Ready Prime. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.